In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Landslide by Fleetwood Mac. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
That's the intro to a really popular song made popular by Fleetwood Mac, Stevie Nicks on the vocals. And this is called Landslide, and it's a cool little tune because it's got a lot of walk downs, and it goes from a C, and then it walks down to like a B with that pinky down there, and then an A minor 7th, and then it walks up. So the chords are, and then eventually the verse walks down to a D. Okay, then it changes to a G. It's a G, and then a D with an F sharp, E minor, and then C, and then that same walk down, B in the bass. Pinky down here, an A minor 7th, and then to D. And those are the chords in the song, so they're okay. And then where it goes to the B section, A minor 7th to D, G walk down, D with an F sharp, E minor. And then if you want, you can do, so you can hit that open D string, and I'm going to do the whole thing in time in a second. I just wanted to show you the chords, spell them out for you. Okay, and then it loops back around. So I just want to give you those chords just so you see them and you can get ready and expect them as I go now. So here we go. I'm going to play a verse and the B section all at once, and then you can see how they connect. So it's like this. Second verse. Whoa, blue in the sky, what is love? Can the child in my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changes, ocean tides, and of the season of my life? Go to the B section, A minor 7th to D. Now we're going to walk down the G. Check this out. Well, I am afraid of changing, so build my life around you. And time makes you older, children get older, I'm getting older. Go back over that B section slowly, shall we?
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called, and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
So the turnaround goes from the A minor 7th into the D. That's the setup for the B section. And this is a G walk down, so check it out. G, D with an F sharp, E minor, and then pick up that D, the E note to a D note here on the 3rd string of the D go. That's a nice little pickup. I'll do it again. Now check it out. So, and then a C walk down, same C walk down we did in the verse. A minor 7th, and then back to the D, and then do that again. G, D, E, and do a little pickup, and now I'm getting C, B, and then it goes right back up, a pickup to the verse. Just in case you're wondering what I'm doing with my right hand, this is really a finger picking song. You can strum it. That's fine. That's a little more of a country strummed rang. That'll work for you if you're a person who isn't comfortable with finger picking. That's fine. And a lot of easy strum is like one of my mantras. Especially if you're first starting to play. So yeah, a strum version would be get your pick and just and then to the D, and then the way the G sounds with the pick is. But if you do have the wherewithal and the skill to do finger picking, on this one, it's a really good one because the voicings are so pretty, so it's just a down, down, up, up, down. It's that circular picking, down, down, up, up, down. So if you got that one down, and if you don't, a bunch of my courses will show you how to do it, but assuming you do, it sounds great to just go. So one of the things we talk about a lot in these lessons is inhabiting the song, and that's why I try to sing the songs as much as possible, and sometimes I'll move them into my key, which is another whole subject, but I hope that helps you to get inside the song a little bit, because learning the changes is great, but if you can't perform the song, whether it's in a campfire situation or with friends or even at a gig, music is to be shared, right? So that's Landslide, one of my favorite really beautiful Fleetwood Mac songs. If you like what you're seeing, please hit me up. I'd love to hear your comments, and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.